Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to search for cases using Jutastat. Where do I find these legal databases on the University of Pretoria Library website? Step 1. Visit the library's website by going to the following URL. Step 2. Navigate to the Libraries and Units tab and select Law from the drop-down list. Step 3. On the Law Library page, scroll down and select Quick Links, Databases. You will see a list of the legal databases to which we are subscribed, and you may use them to find legal material. Step 1. On the Law Library database page, scroll down and click on Jutastat. Step 2. Log into your University of Pretoria portal using your username and password. Search option 1. Searching for cases using case name. You are required to find S.V. Makwanyan and another 1995, 3, SA 391, CC, for your constitutional law assignment. Check your case reference and select a similar case. Click on the title of the case to view the full content of the case. To view case annotations, click on the link shown. By clicking the Case Annotations tab, you can see how other courts have treated the case. Search option 2. Searching for cases using keywords. Click each case, check the flynote, keywords, and headnotes, case summary. Please note the following text for reference. You will gather some cases, and your results will be presented in this format. Tip: when your keywords appear in the flynote or headnote section of a case, it indicates the relevance of the retrieved case. Congratulations, that's the end.